Hey folks, cooking with Kel Bob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from New Orleans. Yeah, we got a special edition today. Our friend Cindy from Monrose Row, who Jenny visits down in NOLA every year. We love Cindy, we love her place. She went and she got us some andouille sausage, and Jenny brought that back. And we're going to do red beans and rice today. And andouille sausage, it's French, you know. And New Orleans is such a melting pot of culture. You've got French and American Indian and German and Caribbean, and the food down there is so wonderful, and the Creole. So what we're going to do is we're going to make red beans and rice with this special sausage from Cindy, super fan. Shout out to you, Cindy. But of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy. Good catch. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog, because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. So the first thing we're going to do is wash our hands. So man, I can't wait to get started with this andouille sausage. It smells so good. You know, it's really it's a Boston shoulder roast is how they make this, and they use their own Creole seasonings, and that stuff is so good, so good. But the first thing we've got to do is we've got to saute some vegetables. So I'm going to heat a 1/4 cup of extra virgin, you know how we like our extra virgins, olive oil. The olive oil is heating. I want to show you the red beans. So what we did was we bought a pound of red kidney beans, and we bought the dry beans, and we soaked them overnight in water. So you want to soak them overnight in water so they get, you know, just plump and ready to go. You know, what we're going to do is we're going to saute, and to be quite honest, grill wife has already chopped up and prepared 1 green bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of minced chopped garlic, 1 large onion, and 2 celery stalks. So after our oil is hot, and I think mine's getting pretty hot, it's at that little above medium, I'm going to go ahead and start with my celery, then my onion. Oh, whenever we cook Cajun, we talk like this. Oh. What do you think, grill dog? Oh. Minced garlic, and 1 green pepper. This is actually a gift from Grill Wife. It was from a float from a crew parade in the quarter. So this is an authentic Mardi Gras cooking spoon. So about 4 minutes sauteing my vegetables in the extra virgin olive oil. I've already got some heat on these beans because we're gonna get this hot. Sort of stir that in a little bit. The seasoning, this is where it all comes together, folks. This is where it's good. I'm gonna start with 2 bay leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/4 teaspoon dried sage, 1 tablespoon dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, Creole.
It's called slap your mama.
Slap your Grill Wife says it's called slap your mama Cajun seasoning. We'll stir that in really well. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer for 2.5 hours. And during those 2.5 hours, I'm going to get in my car, I'm going to drive to 2211 Brookwood, and I'm going to slap my mama. Just kidding, Mom. So now we've we've cut up our andouille sausage, and oh my God, this smells so good. You can smell the smoke flavor of this. Oh, it's so delicious. It's already cooked. And we're going to go ahead and chew our sausage and add this to our beans after they've simmered for 2.5 hours. We've prepared some white rice, and oh my gosh, folks. Oh my gosh, does this ever smell good? And I've got I've just made some good hot crusty French bread and put a little provolone cheese on there. We're gonna try this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, folks, red beans and rice, andouille sausage, some French bread. This is out of this world. You got to try this recipe. Take 5 minutes. Learn to cook. This is fantastic. Kebab out.